Let's fire all human employees!
Introducing NPC Crew Angels.
Build, scale, replicate!
No more sick days or salaries.
Welcome to MadProfessor Laboratory! Automate everything! Guten Tag, biology colleagues, good afternoon.
Today we're saying what everyone's thinking.
Let's fire all the human workers.
Literally, everyone. Even us.
Sounds cynical? Maybe.
But it's the most useful thing we can do for humanity.
NPC Crew Angels make any business so much easier.
That people are simply no longer needed.
3 modes: for beginners, for scale, and for completely eliminating chaos.
AI takes care of all the routine. Human error is a thing of the past.
This is no longer science fiction or the future.
This is the present.
Dozens of businesses already work exclusively with NPC Crew Angels.
For beginners, build from scratch.
Launching my cafe was easy with the AI wizard.
I used AI to scale my shop's operations.
Cloning my business into a NIS with scale. For chaos, optimize.
Angels work 24/7, exactly according to your rules.
They don't care whether it's tourism in Tuscany or chip manufacturing in Eindhoven.
And people will finally be able to do what they truly love.
Creativity, sports, entertainment, art, everything that determines happiness, not survival.
We don't replace people.
We replace chaos, and we liberate people.
Right now, version 1.0 with 3 modes.
Tomorrow, real robot angels in the real world. Theory. Hey, we've already done this in our business. Now we're making heaven for yours.
We've already done this in our business.
Now we're making heaven for yours.
We've already done this in our business.
Now we're making heaven for yours.
Let's fire all the human workers!
And finally let them live!
Look, they're free!
It's beautiful!
Build, scale, replicate.
Paradise starts with a single click.
Join us on Indiegogo.
And let's work together to finally make people free.
With love and gratitude to humanity.
For everything we've done with our hands.
See you in business heaven.
Where robots work and people live.
And you can test our prototype and even create your own NPC team. Link in the description.
See you in business heaven where robots work and people live.
And you can test our prototype and even create your own NPC team. Link in the description.